Greetings, friends. We're looking at the sukkah here on the campus. I'm going live because it's raining here in Jerusalem. And if we walk this way and pause and linger, ooh, lightning. Yeah. And why would you walk out in the open in the middle of a thunderstorm? Well, because you can. So yes, coming to you live, not pre-recorded and edited. So I'm just gonna hang here for a little bit. Whoa! People are starting to come out of the dorm rooms to watch me get hit by to see what's going on. So I'm just gonna keep it rolling here. See if we get a couple more nice little. If I feel my hair stand up on end, it would be a miracle, first of all. But there's not that much to stand up anymore. But anyway, where people might say, well, it is standing up on its end because it's so short. Whoa. All right. But if I do feel that tingle in the air, I might go back inside. I'm standing underneath a couple of nice big trees, so that makes the possibilities of getting hit even better. Currently looking towards the southwest. Actually more towards south, actually. Down, yeah, southwestish. Southwest, how's that? Could you just stop talking and let us watch the storm, please? Whoa. Let's go down this way. See if we can get better views without all these trees in the way. Maybe less chance of getting hit. I have to walk a bit of a ways here. Keep the camera pointing up. It's actually quite warm tonight. Oh. So, poor quality connection. Let me, whoa. Glad I didn't stop recording. I'm going to stop recording and reposition.